Hey guys, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we're going to unbox the La Pavoni Europiccola. The La Pavoni Europiccola is filled with Italian charm, and we can't get enough of it. It was built to last with a triple-plated chrome design and a boiler that's made of chrome and brass plating as well. We love that it has a boiler because it makes it where you don't need an outside hot water source, and it gives you the ability to steam. As for the accessories it comes with, we love the lever handle because once you screw this on, it gives you additional comfort so you can apply more pressure when pulling your shots. We also love the cappuccino attachment because it allows you to get your milk extra frothy. The La Pavoni Europiccola is a sturdy, reliable machine that may for just a moment leave you feeling as though you're making coffee in a traditional Italian cafe, boasting the elegance and charm of Old Italy. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to drop any questions you have about the La Pavoni in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn more details, you can find them online at our website, primacoffee.com, and I'll see you guys next time.